Huizhou Homecare Daily Products Manufacturing Company Limited is located in the beautiful and convenient city of Huizhou, Guangdong Province, China, adjacent to Guangzhou, Dongguan, and Shenzhen. The factory covers an area of 12,000 square meters. It was founded in 1999 with its predecessor named Guangzhou Baiyun Homecare Hardware and Plastic Factory, which has a history of over 20 years. It has been focusing on innovative design, research and development, production, sales service, and brand promotion of household products. In terms of product innovation, Homecare focuses on the development and production of more than 200 kinds of products in 10 categories, including PVA mops, dust cleaners, window wipers, brooms, dustpans, and cleaning brushes. We also provide OEM and ODM customized solutions for our customers. Over the years, we have established a good strategic cooperation relationship with international famous brands and domestic large chain stores. Our products are exported to Asia, Europe, North America, the Middle East, and other overseas regions. Our products are highly recognized and trusted by customers at home and abroad. Homecare now has a group of elite teams that focus on product research and development. Infiltrate the design process with the service purpose of quality first. Pursue zero defect. Keep improving on each set of products. Apply the mature technical experience accumulated by the company and new industry technology to the new product design, and strive to control the product quality risk to the minimum. After years of struggle and accumulation of market experience, in 2017, we made great strides in development, invested heavily in integration and upgrading, launched a new brand, Samjoy, and committed to providing consumers with high-quality household cleaning products. The company has passed ISO 9001-2015 International Quality Management System Certification, SEDEX, Supplier Ethical Data Exchange certification, and has obtained the right of import and export, and has accumulated more than 50 national utility model and appearance patents. Advanced manufacturing equipment and testing instruments have become the key cornerstone of the development and survival of the company. Homecare carries out the whole process management from product design, manufacturing, and quality control in strict accordance with the quality management system. Advanced automation equipment and flow production line, from semi-finished product assembly to finished product delivery, can quickly meet the needs of customers, creating a whole set of systematic services from research and development, molding, injection, assembly, bristle planting, stamping, sewing, quality control, after sales, etc. With the mission of leading a healthy and high-quality life and creating an outstanding national enterprise, Homecare adheres to the business philosophy of integrity, dedication, innovation, and efficiency, and takes the maximization of value for customers as its own duty, and strives for mutual benefit, win-win, and harmonious development. Let's join hands with you to welcome a more brilliant tomorrow.